Good afternoon and welcome to my latest listing. I'm Chris May, Realtor with Coldwell Residential Brokerage, and this is 2075 Oak Road here in Snellville, Georgia. Here are the quick stats. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, fully renovated, 4-side brick ranch with just over 1,800 square feet, and it sits on this large, just over half-acre corner lot. This prime location puts you 1 to 3 miles away from absolutely endless shopping, dining, exercise, and entertainment options that downtown Snellville has to offer. This home is also in the highly sought-after Brookwood School District, rated one of the highest in the state. This county of Gwinnett is also known to have one of the absolute best park systems in the entire state with over 60 to choose from. You'll never get bored of being outside in this area. Go to GwinnettCounty.com and click the About Gwinnett and then choose Parks and Recreation for a full list of locations. So great location, now more about this home. The whole exterior has just been painted and a new HVAC system. This just over half-acre corner lot has this nice freshwater creek running through it, just across the bridge to access the other side, which is perfect spot for a future ground level entertaining deck and fire pit. There's a grilling patio out back and a small area that would be easy to fence off for pets if needed. As soon as you enter the home's foyer, you'll notice the beautiful cherry-colored wood floors that run the entire length of the home, except the baths, and the new cool grays and crisp white color palette. First room in is the large formal living room, and just beyond is the formal dining space with upgraded fixture. Then enter the fully modernized and custom kitchen with granite countertops, backed with timeless subway tile backsplash, undermount stainless sink, matching the rest of the stainless appliance package. Notice all the new cabinets with two-tone color scheme. You'll also appreciate the crown molding and smooth painted sheetrock ceilings carried throughout the whole home. But here in the kitchen, you'll also be well lit with these recessed LED can lights. Adjacent to the kitchen is this little cozy breakfast area to enjoy morning coffee, watching the birds in the backyard. The kitchen has been redesigned to be open to the den with a full masonry fireplace. The whole interior has received all new interior doors with new brushed nickel hardware. Guest bath is also fully renovated with 36-inch beautiful double vanity with lots of storage topped with granite and upgraded fixtures. Under your feet, you'll find the new waterproof and durable LVP flooring. No expense was spared for you to treat your guests to this beautiful marble patterned tile bath with glass inlay accents and chrome rain shower. 2 generous sized spare bedrooms with lots of natural light are on the front of the home. Then finally we make it to the master suite on the back of the home. Lots of natural light here as well. The sliding barn door invites you to the master bath. Take it up a notch to include new modern vessel sinks atop more vanities with plenty of storage, as well as a frameless glass shower with more marble and glass accents. Time to come see it in person before it's gone. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule your own private showing, please call me at 404-803-4669. Do you have a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com. Click the About button for more information. My homes always receive professional photos and a video just like this one. They're placed on 2 local multiple listing services and pushed to over 900 websites. My personal average days on market for the last 25 homes I've sold in the past year is only 9 days on market, and my listings on average sell within 1% of list price. You can also email me at chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and until next time, thanks for watching.